I just love OGERY's fan. Yes. Oh, guys, that feels good. Guys, it's getting so freaking hot out here. You just need a fan. Oh, it's going down my shirt. It's so cool. Yes, it is cool. And it's a fan. Yes. And I'm a fan of the fan. That's cool. This is dead random, and I am a fan of this product, and it's pretty dang cool as well. So yeah, I know, I did it. I went both ways for that joke. All right, but let's check it out. All right. So since we're going to seriously be looking at this fan, we definitely got to pretend that we are out in the heat. And guys, the summer is on its way. So OGERY has this really cool camping fan, and there we go. So here is the booklet that it comes with, all the features on it. Now this thing doesn't even show you on the front of the box that you can actually use this thing as a backup battery as well. So you get a USB-C to USB-C cord right there. And of course you get the cool fan. So let's put this in here. Let's get that out of the way. And we'll unpackage it. But yes, I have charged this fan up. This is how it comes, right like this. This thing has a light, adjustable light. It swivels, and of course it works up as a backup battery. So let's look at it. So the fan does have variable speed. So basically, as simple as just twisting this knob, and right away we are already being cooled down. So like I said, in a camping situation, you know, you can really jack this thing up. Okay, and then you can put it in different modes. For example, you want to put it in pivot mode. So check that out. So really nice that way. We've also got a light. Oh, it feels so good. It's getting hot, guys. But yeah, you can put some light on the subject. And of course, you probably, there's your different, those are your different settings, because it can go 120 degrees in rotation. So, and we will, the next step, we'll turn it off. So, and then you can just manually adjust it. So here's your light settings. And then it, like I said, brighter and brighter. You do have some night settings, so you can set it so it can turn off at night. You can time it. If you look on the back, there is a really handy remote control. So I have not taken this thing out of the box. I have not used the remote. So you can see it still has a little sticker in there. So now we're fully remote capable. All right. But if you look on the back here really close, let me go ahead and shut this down. You'll notice that you've got that USB C and A, okay? Now this is an output. This is for charging it up. So USB A, this is an output, okay? So you can run small things, charge your phone, that kind of thing. And right here, I don't know if you can charge with this one. I haven't tried that yet, but this is where you power it up from. I believe it's USB A output and then charging. So, all right. So OGERY right here. All right. And yes, it is nice. Yes, and it's cooling off my cameras as well. So, all right, so we have, let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Higher speed fan. Bring it down. Yep, and off. Yeah, so everything's working good. So yeah, this nice little handy remote. Put this fan at the foot of your camping tent. Okay, so so pretty cool. All right, we can go ahead and we got to turn it on. Let's go ahead and turn it on there. All right. Oh yeah, hit the off button twice to turn it on. And let's see if we can get it to, let's see if we can, yeah, there we go. We got to point it at the, there we go. So this will toggle your remote just like that. So now it's off. There, we got it off. You can point it at you right here. All right. That's really nifty. I'm huge into these gadgets. I love them. I really do love gadgets. And, you know, we can jack the light up, we can turn, so everything's all remote. So, all right, OGERY, okay. OGERY Camping Fan, so pretty cool. Let's see if there's any other hidden features that we can find in here other than what it already does, which is, so we do have a QR code that we can snap, okay, if we want to learn more. Yeah, that is a charging port, just double checking on that one. All right, but we do have, so it can take up to an 18-watt adapter for fast charging. So yeah, so we have oscillation setting, which is this one right here. And then we have timers, and then we have a sleep mode. So the sleep mode basically will shut it off after a certain amount of time. So you set your timer, put it in sleep mode, that kind of thing. And then of course, we've got, you know, the remote control light. I mean, this takes care of all of your needs inside of a tent. I mean, small campers, RVs, that kind of thing. But pretty nice. I'm very, very impressed. This is a really nice product. And of course, you can have this product on Amazon. Check it out, OGERY. But that's about it. There's nothing else to basically hide it. So on the back here, so you don't lose your remote control, you can put the remote right back in here. So that's where that sits, and it does clear the remote. So pretty nice. So here's your manual operation right here, right there. And yeah, you can manually adjust it as well. It doesn't have to be adjusted by the motor, but you can't get much easier than that. Carry handle, and then one button operation. I mean, that's all you need to know. So, all right, the OGERY Camping Fan. And yeah, I am a fan now. I think these guys have done a really good job. This is a really nice working product. I would, you know, this is one of those things that you get and review and you're like, yeah, this is something I can use. It's nice. I am a drone pilot, and I'm also an FPV guy. Another great thing that this fan can do is you can tilt it up. And when we work on FPV drones, we set them on top here, and it keeps the VTXs cool while we work on them. So this can be a mobile, a cooling fan for any kind of electronic products that you're working with. And I use drones. So if I was going to work on you know, a drone and I wanted to let it run for a long period of time, the VTXs, the video transmitters, get really hot. And you put it on a fan, you can basically prevent that overheating. So, and this thing will run. I mean, with this giant battery in it, it'll run for forever. All right, for Dad Random, and a random review of an absolutely fantastic product. These guys have just knocked it out of the park. I just love OGERY's fan. Yes. Oh gosh, that feels good. Guys, it's getting so freaking hot out here. You just need a fan. Oh, it's going down my shirt. It's so cool. Yes, it is cool. And it's a fan, yes. And I'm a fan of the fan. That's cool. So, all right, Dad Random, having a little random fun with his OGERY fan. Very cool. Later, have a good one. Check this product out. It is definitely worth your time. All right, later, Dad Random and his random reviews and this random awesome fan.